Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in my last video I covered the concept of system programs, and in this video I will discuss about various categories of system programs. Okay, so here as you can see I have listed down those various categories of system programs, and which includes language translators, loaders and linkers, text editors, application programs, system programs for communication and status reporting. Okay, so we will start our discussion with the first category, which is language translators. Okay, so now language translators includes interpreters like Java interpreter, compilers such as Turbo C compiler and Borland C++ compiler, and assemblers. Okay, so all this comes under language translators, and the duty of these language translators are to translate high level programming instructions into the machine understandable format. Okay, so the responsibility of this language translator is to translate high level programming language into the format which machine can easily understand. Okay, so this is everything about language translators, which includes compilers, Turbo C compiler and Borland C++ compiler. Okay, next category is loaders and linkers. Okay, so they are used for program loading and execution. So these loaders and linkers are system programs which allows the computer to load the program inside the main memory and execute it. And next point is they are used in moving the programming instructions or assembled compiled code to main memory. Okay, the responsibility of these loaders and linkers is to transfer the programming instructions or compiled code inside the main memory, and from the main memory CPU will take those instructions. CPU will pick those compiled code and start the execution from the first instruction of that code. Okay, next category is text editors. These are used for file modification and file manipulation. Okay, so this is the third category of system programs, which is text editors, and these are used for modifying files. These are used for performing various operations on files, and we can also manage various types of files as well with this category of system programs. Okay, so as it has been mentioned here that these system programs are used for file modification, file handling, okay, and file manipulation. Next point is the system programs such as Notepad, Notepad++ are used for entering and storing the program code or text document to a file or make modifications, etc. Okay, so there are various editors like Notepad, Notepad++, which allows the users to enter the data, store the data, or which allows the users to write the programs, okay, and execute those programs and make modifications in those programs. Okay, so this is everything about text editors, which is the third category of system programs. Okay, now we will move on to the fourth category of system programs, which is application programs. So application programs are also called as system utilities. Okay, so these are also termed as system utilities. These are used for common user needs. These application programs are used by the users to perform normal day-to-day routine tasks by using the applications of word processor such as MS Word, PowerPoint, it could be Excel, okay, or Access. Okay, user might use web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, DBMS package, any database management system package. Compiler packages are useful to store the common user needs. Okay, so in this category of system programs, which is application programs, here all the applications which are used by the user to perform day-to-day routine tasks. Okay, so now the last category of system programs, which is system programs for communication and status reporting. So in this they are used for communication and status reporting. So these types of system programs are used for communicating with various applications and reporting the status of those applications, whether those two applications have connected successfully with each other or not. okay, and used for remote system login. So these system programs allows the users to connect with other system which is located in far place, and used for remote file transfer. Okay, so if I want to transfer any file to a system which is located far away from me, then system will make a use of these system programs, which are system programs for communication and status reporting system programs. Okay, and then sending and receiving messages like email facility. Okay, so if I want to send or receive messages from any other system which is located far away from me, okay, with the help of emails, so then these system programs are very useful. Okay, so these are various categories of system programs, okay, like language translators, loaders and linkers, text editors, application programs, and system programs for communication and status reporting. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys, and in this video we have discussed everything about system programs and category of system programs. Okay, so I hope you understood these categories. Okay, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.